Creatine monohydrate is one of the most researched and effective supplements in the fitness and athletic world. Whether you're looking to enhance your performance, build muscle, or recover faster after intense workouts, creatine monohydrate is a go-to option for many. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the incredible benefits of creatine monohydrate powder, how it works in your body, and why it's so popular among athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. What is creatine monohydrate? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in your muscles and brain. It plays a crucial role in energy production, particularly during high-intensity activities. Creatine monohydrate is the most common and well-researched form of creatine supplementation. It's highly effective, affordable, and has minimal side effects, making it the ideal choice for improving strength, power, and performance. Benefits of creatine monohydrate powder. Creatine monohydrate powder offers a wide range of benefits for fitness and athletic performance. Here are the key advantages you can expect when incorporating it into your routine. 1. Increased strength and power. Creatine monohydrate is renowned for its ability to significantly boost strength and power output. By increasing ATP production, it allows you to perform more reps, lift heavier weights, and engage in longer, more intense workouts. Whether you're lifting weights, sprinting, or doing high-intensity interval training, HIIT, creatine enables you to perform at your best and push through those last few sets or seconds. 2. Enhanced muscle growth. Creatine is an excellent supplement for muscle growth. By increasing water retention in your muscles, creatine makes them look fuller and more pumped, which can be motivating. But it doesn't stop there. Creatine also stimulates muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds new muscle tissue. Over time, this contributes to greater muscle mass and helps you build lean muscle faster. When combined with resistance training, creatine monohydrate can lead to impressive gains in muscle size and strength. 3. Faster recovery. Creatine monohydrate not only helps you perform better, but also speeds up recovery after exercise. It reduces muscle damage and inflammation caused by intense physical activity. This means you can recover faster, allowing you to get back into the gym sooner and train harder. Whether you're an athlete or someone who enjoys regular workouts, faster recovery means you can consistently challenge your body and progress faster. 4. Improved endurance and stamina. Creatine is not just for those looking to bulk up or lift heavy weights. It also improves endurance. While it's especially effective during short bursts of activity, like weightlifting or sprinting, creatine supplementation can also enhance performance in endurance sports. By increasing your capacity for high-intensity exercise, you may notice that you can perform at a higher level for longer periods, helping to delay fatigue and improve your overall stamina. 5. Supports brain health and cognitive function. While creatine is best known for its physical benefits, it may also have a positive effect on brain function. Research has shown that creatine supplementation can enhance cognitive performance, especially during tasks that require short-term memory, attention, and quick decision-making. Creatine may also help with mental fatigue, making it a great addition to your routine, not just for physical performance, but for mental clarity as well. 6. Safe and well-researched. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most studied supplements in the world, and research supports its effectiveness and safety. It's considered safe for most people when used as directed. There's no need to worry about dangerous side effects, as creatine is naturally found in the body. For healthy individuals, creatine is well tolerated and can be safely used over long periods. It's important, however, to stay hydrated, as creatine can pull water into your muscles, so ensure you drink plenty of fluids. How to use creatine monohydrate powder. Creatine monohydrate powder is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Here's how to use it effectively. Dosage. A typical daily dose of creatine monohydrate is around 3 to 5 grams. Some people may opt for a loading phase, where they take 20 grams per day for the first 5-7 days, divided into 4 5-gram doses to quickly saturate the muscles, followed by a maintenance dose of 3-5 grams per day. However, a consistent dose of 3-5 grams daily is sufficient to see great results without the need for a loading phase. Timing. You can take creatine at any time of the day, but many people prefer to take it post-workout when their muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Mixing creatine with your post-workout shake or meal can also enhance absorption, especially if you combine it with carbohydrates or protein. Hydration. Creatine draws water into your muscles, so it's important to stay hydrated while using it. Make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid dehydration and maximize the benefits of creatine. Potential side effects. Creatine monohydrate is safe for most individuals, but there are a few potential side effects to keep in mind. Water retention. Creatine causes muscles to retain water, which can lead to a temporary increase in body weight. This is completely normal and part of how creatine works to improve muscle function. Gastrointestinal issues. Some people may experience stomach discomfort, bloating, or diarrhea when using creatine. To minimize this, consider starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing it, or splitting your daily dose into smaller amounts throughout the day. Kidney health. While creatine has been shown to be safe for healthy individuals, people with existing kidney problems should consult a healthcare provider before starting supplementation. Creatine monohydrate powder is one of the most effective and widely used supplements for anyone looking to boost their workout performance, enhance muscle growth, or recover faster. From increasing strength and power to improving endurance and supporting brain function, the benefits of creatine are backed by years of research and proven results. If you're looking to take your fitness to the next level, creatine monohydrate is a must-have addition to your routine. It's safe, affordable, and highly effective, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced athletes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.